Hey besties, welcome back. Today we are going to whip up a delicious smoky Nigerian jollof rice from scratch, guys. Yes. So you continue watching. I'm sure you're going to learn one or two. Yes, I assure you that. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video. So first, you grab your pen, spread out your parchment paper or your foil paper on it. Once you're done, go in with your peppers and your onions, just like you're watching. In here, I have long pointed peppers and some red onions. They seeded already. Here is tomatoes. This is just 3 medium-sized tomatoes. They seeded also. So, pour it in. Next is your ginger. So, you go ahead and adjust it like this. This will be going into the oven, okay? If you do not have an oven, just pour everything into your pan, place it on your cooker, drizzle in some oil and allow it to simmer there, okay? You just allow it to burn a little, all right? So we just added our garlic, clove. Go in with your vegetable oil. Yes, drizzle in some vegetable oil or your olive oil on it. Now let's pop it into the oven. Now, while that is happening, let's move on to the next stage. So guys, here is our protein. The protein we'll be using for this recipe. So I cooked it before now using seasoning ginger, garlic, and some dry thyme. Just season with your favorite seasoning. And this is us scooping it out of the stock. Please do not throw this stock away. We're going to be using it. Just keep it aside. Moving on, guys. It is time to fry our protein. Mind you, you can use any protein of your choice, okay? So in a pan or pot, go in with your vegetable oil or olive oil, whichever one you have. Now go on and drop in some onions just to give it some flavor, okay? Once it is heated, go ahead and introduce your protein. This is chicken gizzard. Yes, you can use any protein like I said before, okay? So guys, let's allow it to fry. Hello, to you that is meeting my video for the first time, you're welcome. My name is Ijoma. You can call me IJ or Oma for short. Here I post videos on how to make easy, delicious cooking recipes. So if it sounds interesting to you, go ahead and hit the subscribe button so you become part of us. At this point, guys, it is looking like it. Now let's get it out of the oil. This is how I want it. If you do not want it that strong, please don't fry for a long time, okay? Just to your preference or to your taste. Now, guys, let's move on. So checking back on our peppers, tomato, yes, the one we popped into the oven. Look at how it is looking. Yes, you're going to allow it to burn a little bit, just like what you're watching or seeing on the screen. Now let's transfer it in the blender. Yeah, allow it to cool down first before you transfer in your blender. Here is our clove, our garlic here. So squeeze it out like this and add it to the blender. Everything should be in moderation, okay? Now you go ahead and fasten it on your blender and blend. Moving on, guys. Now we have everything ready. It is time to do the main cooking. Yes. So in that same oil you're using frying your beef or your protein, whichever one, go ahead and pour in your diced onions. The oil is heated already, yes. So allow it to fry for a minute. This is after a minute, guys. Go in with your tomato paste. You can skip it though, but I advise you use it because it's going to help enhance the color of your food, giving it this intense look like color that is appealing to the eyes. Yes, so I would advise you use it. As you can see, we are already at the frying stage. Yes, you're going to fry it for some time, for some minutes. Yeah, once you see that it's beginning to darken, you introduce your pepper tomato mix. Yes, I mean the one we blended earlier. Pour it in and stir everything to well combine. So we're going to continue frying. Go in with your dry thyme and your dry bay leaves. Stir again and continue frying. We're going to fry it for some minutes here, for extra minutes, just until the tanginess is no longer there. So as you fry, you keep testing, okay? So guys, checking back at this point and having tested it, it is well fried, okay? Now it is time to introduce some water. Guys, sorry I skipped the part where I added this meat stock. Next is chili or your hot pepper, yes, whichever one you have. This is Scotch bonnet I use 4. Now go in with your curry powder, 4 teaspoons of it, and 4 teaspoons of nutmeg, ground nutmeg. This is us going in with our seasoning. Yeah, season to taste, okay? Next is your salt to taste. Do not overdo it, in moderation, please. Now, after you've added everything, go on and give it a nice stir. We allow it to boil. Once it comes to a boil, introduce your washed rice, okay? Just like you're watching on the screen. This is 4 cups of basmati rice. Feel free to use any rice of your choice, okay? Any type of rice at all. Now, give it a nice stir. Yes, stir it very well to well combine, okay? Introduce more water, extra water. Water shouldn't be that much. Just a little above the rice, okay? Adjust it again. At this point, you can test for salt, okay? Make sure you test it and see that it is tasty. That way, your jollof rice will come out very delicious and tasty as well. Now, cover it up and allow to cook. This is us, guys, checking back after cooking for a few minutes. Yes, just keep an eye on it. All right? The water is gradually going down. So what you do next is to use your spoon or your spatula to adjust it, just like you're watching on the screen. Yes, adjust it this way so that the remaining water up can go down, right? And at this point, we are going to cover it up with some foil paper first, okay? It will enable it to cook faster, yes. And if the water in there is not enough to cook the rice like well, the foil paper will as well help, okay? Make it come out very well and cook properly. All right, guys. This is us checking back after cooking it for a few minutes, yes. At this point, guys, our rice is dry, yes, I can tell you that. So go ahead and introduce your diced onions and sliced fresh tomatoes. Add some margarine or butter, whichever one you have. Cover it up again for just few minutes, just say a minute. This is us checking back, guys. This is after 1 minute. Go ahead and pour in your protein. You can choose not to, depend how you want to enjoy your meal, okay? I just want it all over the rice, all right? Now that we have everything in, yes, nothing to add anymore, yes. Go ahead and stir. Guys, you're going to stir it, yes, very well, to well combine. Just like you're watching, combine it very well. Oh my word, guys! Somebody's making this recipe. It's super delicious and easy, okay? Just follow the steps. Follow the steps, guys. It is given. It's given 10 over 10, 100 over 100, guys. Another thing, besties, allow it to burn a little, okay? So the thing is, for you to achieve a perfect smoky Nigerian jollof rice, first you need to bake the peppers, tomato mix, yes. Bake it for some time, allow it to burn. Another thing, while cooking, at the final stage, also allow it to burn a little, or you use charcoal method. Now, because I used aluminum pot, I'll just go ahead and transfer it in this pan, okay? All right, this is us transferring our delicious smoky Nigerian jollof rice, guys. Tell me you're not salivating where you are. Just tell me. Oh my, this is looking good. Yeah, because if you leave it in that same pot, it will continue cooking, and we don't want our rice to be that, too soft. And there you have it, guys. Our delicious, mouth-watering, smoky Nigerian jollof rice is set. It is looking super delicious, guys. This is lovely. Please give it a go. It's everything and more. I promise you're not going to regret you did, okay? Also, help me share this video to all your friends, families, and loved ones for them to try it out, okay? Thank you. Oh my, it's time to plate it. Yes. What is cooking without testing? What is cooking without eating? Yeah. So for you to cook, that means eating must happen. So guys, it is time to test our jollof rice. Yes. And please, to all my subscribers, both the newest and the returning, guys, your girl is low. Your girl is grateful. Thank you. Please stick with me. Go nowhere. Okay? So you grab your spoon. Let's go. Looking so delish. This is yummy, delicious, guys. I'm not going to talk too much, okay? A try will convince you. I'm sure of that. So you give it a try. So guys, we've come to the end of today's cooking. Thank you all for joining me. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.